trading the forex news can be very risky and also can be a very profitable way to make money trading forex. That is, if you know how to trade it correctly. Whenever there's news in the market, price moves very fast. There's a very fast movement of price. You can make a whole lot of money and you can also lose a whole lot of money trading news. Whenever there's news, price moves very fast. A lot of pips are being accumulated at that time that there's news. If you're a trader that don't want to take high risk or you don't know how to trade news, you shouldn't indulge trading in the news because you might end up blowing your account. So right in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to read the news and as well the best strategy to trade the news even as a beginner. News occurred. This red candlestick just closed this green candlestick immediately with a long stripe. You can see how many pips you can catch with this news just getting occurred. Just immediately blow most of your accounts. You can see that. So if you should get this trade correctly now, you can make a whole lot of money because a lot of pips is being accumulated. You can see that price move all the way from, this is Euro USD 1.09342 all the way down to 1.08387. You can see that is almost 1,000 pips on this trade, guys. Almost 1,000 pips. You can see that. So price move very fast. You just see a very long candlestick that just move very fast. That's why I say you can make a whole lot of money trading the news and as well you can lose a whole lot of money. So I'm going to be showing you some of the best strategies to trade news even as a beginner. In less than a minute, you can make a whole lot of money. So this is how the news candlestick look like. So I'll be showing you first of all how to read the news and as well use them to determine price direction. So let me show you. First of all, the app I use in reading the forex news is my FS book. So let me show you right on my FS book. So right here, all you have to do is to just head over to economic calendar. When you log into my FS book, just head over to economic calendar on the home section. Immediately you just enter the you just be on the news section. So right here you can see whatever pair you're trading, you will see the currency and the topic of the news. You can see that this is for US dollars. For those of you that are trading the Euro USD or the GBP USD or gold or any pair that has the USD on it, you can. This is the news you should be looking at, the US dollars. So likewise, any other pair you can see NAS and other GBY. So these are the news. So right in the forex market, the news are different. Medium, we have low impact news, medium impact news, and high impact news. You can see that. So right now, for the US dollars, the topic is AP crude oil stock change. You can see that. Now this is medium with a 0.573. Whenever there is news, then you then head over to your charts just like this. Head over to your charts. To trade news, you need to use the technical analysis and combine it with the fundamental analysis. So news is basically the fundamental analysis and it requires you checking at the economic data of the market, checking the economic data of the market. So trading news is basically fundamental analysis, and as well to trade it correctly to get the direction of price, you need to remix it up with the technical analysis aspect. If your technical analysis kind of match with the fundamental news, then you can take a trade depending on the direction of price. For those of you that want to still trade the news, you can trade the news just like this. So let me show you a tips to trade news. Now let's say this news wanted to occur, and right now you can just immediately on your MT5 platform, immediately you can just set a buy order right here. Put your buy order right here, and you can still put your sell order right here. Let's say the news wanted to occur, you put your sell order right here, shift it a little bit. Then once the news occurs, the news should just be at the sell side. You still make profit. Then if you be at the buy side, you can still make profit off of that trade. But when you put your buy stop as well, put your stop loss. Now you should put your buy stop right here as well. You should put your stop loss right at this point, right below the order block, right here, right below this order block zone. You can see that right below this point. You can just put your stop loss right here, boom, and your buy order right here. Price should go up, then you make money. Then if it be a sell, you can just put your stop loss maybe right at this point, that your buy order is. You can put your stop loss right there. So you can just put your stop loss right here. When trading news, always make use of stop loss as well. Always make use of stop loss when trading news. So this is how you can trade news. If you don't want to do much of analysis, you can just do it like this. So like I said, trading news, you need to merge it with your technical analysis, which is analyzing the chart. First of all, if your analysis should match with the news, then you place trade depending on your direction of your analysis. Then, and as well, make sure you put your stop loss as well, so that if the news should go against you, you wouldn't lose a whole lot of money trading the news. So I have made a lot of money trading the news market as well. I've made a lot of money trading news because I make sure that I analyze the chart, and as well my analysis is matching with the news. Boom, then I place a trade with a tight stop loss. Then I make a whole lot of money because my analysis is matching the news as well. So I've made a lot of money trading the news market. Trading news can be very profitable and as well be very risky. So one thing you should learn again about trading the news market. So when the market is maybe forming an uptrend just like this, forming an uptrend, and maybe the news wanted to occur, there's a higher chance that price is going to go up like this. You can see that there's a higher chance that price is going to go up because this is a buyer's market. There's a higher chance that the news is going to push price to the upside. So this is one thing you should take note of. When the market starts forming lower lows and lower highs, and lower lows and lower highs, that means the market is uptrending. This is a buyer's market. You should look forward for a buying opportunity. And just likewise the seller's market, you can see that higher highs and higher lows. This is a seller's market. So there's a higher chance that price is going to just break down like this. So there's a higher chance that price is going to break down. You can see that there's a higher chance that price is going to move to the downside because this is a seller's market. There is a much higher chance that price is going to push to the downside. So this is how you can trade. So you should take note of this. So this is how you can trade it. If you don't want to do much of analysis, you can just do it like this. This can most times as well be profitable. This can most times work. If the news is just straightforward, this can most times work. So that's it, guys. So you should take notes of this. Trading news is very profitable and as well be very risky. So make sure you do analysis perfectly so I can gain the right direction of price. And as well, always check the economic calendar of my FS book. Know when there is news so that you won't lose your money trading the market. Just check the link down below my FS book, the link in the description as well. Just check it so you can start trading the market.